Welcome to a captivating exploration of Neem, the extraordinary herb that has captured the attention of Ayurvedic enthusiasts around the world. Neem, scientifically known as Azadirachta indica, is a sacred tree native to the Indian subcontinent. Every part of this magnificent tree offers a myriad of medicinal properties, making it a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. One of the most renowned benefits of Neem lies in its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. The Neem leaves, when ground into a paste or made into herbal infusion, can be applied topically to treat various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its natural compounds help reduce inflammation, control bacterial growth, and promote the healing of skin irritations. Neem oil, extracted from neem seeds, is another versatile gem in the world of Ayurveda. It can be used as a potent natural insect repellent, helping to keep pesky bugs at bay without the need for harsh chemicals. Additionally, neem oil is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin, and it nourishes the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. This incredible herb supports oral health as well. Chewing on neem twigs, commonly known as datin, has been a traditional practice in many parts of the world. The natural compounds in neem help combat bacteria, reduce plaque formation, and freshen breath, making it a natural and sustainable alternative to conventional oral hygiene products. Neem is not just limited to external applications. Consuming neem internally can provide numerous health benefits. Neem capsules or neem-infused herbal teas are known for their immune-boosting properties. They help strengthen the body's defense mechanisms, fight off infections, and support overall well-being. However, it's essential to exercise caution when using neem. While neem offers incredible benefits, excessive consumption can lead to digestive discomfort such as nausea or diarrhea. It's crucial to follow recommended dosage guidelines and consult a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating neem into your routine. Here are a few more ways you can incorporate neem into your daily routine. You can prepare a neem face mask by mixing neem powder with a little water or rose water. Apply it to your face, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. This will help cleanse and purify your skin, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. Another way to experience the benefits of neem is by using neem-infused shampoo. Look for natural hair care products that contain neem extracts or neem oil. These can help nourish your scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote healthy hair growth. Massage the shampoo into your scalp, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Lastly, for those interested in exploring the power of neem in a more holistic manner, consider incorporating neem leaves into your diet. Neem leaves are known for their bitter taste, and they can be consumed in various forms, such as in salads, smoothies, or as an herbal tea. Including neem leaves in your diet can support digestion, purify the blood, and boost overall vitality. Thank you for joining me on this extended exploration of neem's benefits and applications. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who may benefit from the wisdom of Ayurveda and the wonders of neem.